Hi children, today we are going to look at some more addition of radicals. Okay, last time I brought a few questions and we discussed those questions regarding addition of radicals. But I brought about 4 more questions here today to help you to understand better about how to add radicals. Okay, let's look at the first question. Okay. I told you before, children, when we subtract or we add radicals, we need to make sure that the radicals are the same. Then we can add or we can subtract. Now we look here, number 1, we have 3 square root 3 plus 4 square root 3. Now we look here, the radicals are the same, okay? We have 3 here, we have 3 here. So we can add them right away, okay? So we bring here our square root 3, we open the bracket, okay, we bring in 3 into the bracket, and this is add here, so we put here, and we bring 4 also, okay, this is 4, okay, into the bracket, and we close it, and we see here, 3 plus 4 is 7, okay, so 7, we bring here, square root 3. So it is 7 square root 3. Okay? So number 1 is done. 3 square root 3 plus 4 square root 3. The radicals are the same. So we add them right away. Okay? 3 plus 4. Okay? 3 here, 4 here. 3 plus 4 is 7. We bring here square root 3. So 7 square root 3. Okay, we look at number 2. We have minus 4 square root 5. Plus 6 square root 5. Okay, we look, the radicals are also the same. We have 5 here, we have 5 there. So now we bring here square root 5. Okay, we open the bracket. We have minus 4 is plus here 6. We close the bracket. Okay, we close the bracket. Now we put equal sign here. Minus 4 plus 6. Minus and the plus is minus. But we look at the number, who is bigger? 6 is bigger. And the sign of 6 is plus, so we use plus. So minus 4 plus 6 is 2. 2 square root 5. Okay? 2 square root 5 is the answer for number 2. Okay? Now we look at number 3. Number 3, 6 square root 12 plus 3 square root 12. The radicals are also the same, but this is square root 12, we need to simplify, okay? So we bring here our square root 12, we open the bracket, we bring 6 in, and 3 here, plus 3. We close the bracket. Now 6 plus 3 is 9. Square root 12. 9 square root 12. That's not clear enough. I make it clear so you can see it. So this is 9 square root 12. That's better. We look here, 9 square root 12, we need to simplify, okay? So we bring here 9, we put equal sign here, square root of 3 times 4 equals 9 times square root 3 times square root 4, okay? Square root 4 is perfect square, so you can simplify it immediately. So its square root 4 is 2. So we have here, so equals 9 times 2, 2 is from here, times square root 3. We cannot break it, so just leave it like that. So we have 9 times 2 is 18 square root 2. Oh, I mean square root 3, sorry, it's not 2, 3. 18 square root 3. That's the final answer, okay? Then we go to number 4. 6 square root 24 plus square root 6 plus 4 square root 3 minus 3 square root 3. Okay, children, I think we need to test this. Okay, square root 12. We get the same or not. 2 square root 3. Yeah. We use factor 3. This is 6. This is 4, 3. Oh, no. What did I do? So 2, and this one is 2 and 3. Okay, so we take this together, we put them together. So we have here square root 2 times 2 times 3. Square root 2 times square root 2 is square root 4 times square root 3. Okay, square root 4 is perfect square, so it is 2. 2 times square root 3. 2 times square root 3 equals 2 square root 3. Okay, same. 2 square root 3. So that answer is correct. Okay, we look at number 4. 6 square root 24 plus square root 6 plus 4 square root 3 minus 3 square root 3. Okay, we need to simplify square root 24. Okay, see what we get from square root 24. So we put here 24. We use factor 3. Okay, we use 2 here. We have 12. Then we break it again. We have 3. We have 4. We break it again. We have 2 here. We have 2 here. Okay. I think we make these numbers a bit smaller in order to make it easier for us to. So let's say 3 square root 24 instead of 6. Okay, 3 square root 24. Now we look here. We take this together. Okay, they are the same. We take them together. Our aim is to get perfect square. So we put 2 here, this 3 we put here, 2 also here, and this 2 also here. Now 2 times 3, square root 2 times square root 3 is square root 6. Square root 2 times square root 2 is square root 4. So we have here square root 6 times square root 4. We cannot break square root 6, so we just leave it. So square root 6 times square root 4 is perfect square, so it is 2 equals 2 square root 6. Okay, so what we have here, so we put the equal sign here. We have 3 here, don't forget. We take it, 3 times 2 here, 2 square root 6 plus square root 6 plus again. Now, in here, our radicands are the same, okay? 3 here, 3 there. So, we bring here square root 3. We open the bracket, we have 4 here, minus this 3. Okay, we close the bracket. Okay, then we bring it down here. 6 times 2 is, 3 times 2 is 6 square root 6 plus square root 6. Now, our radicands here also the same, but let's continue that and then we will see. Now here, children, there is always 1 here, okay? I told you before, 1 here also. So we have 1 here. Now we look here, we have in the bracket 4 minus 3. This comes from here, 4, this 4 here, minus this 3 here. Okay, they are out of the square root, so we put them in the bracket. So we subtract them. 4 minus 3 is 1. 1 times 1 is 1. So 1 square root 3. So we don't write 1 square root 3, we just write square root 3. But don't worry, children, we don't lose here 1, it's still there, okay? So square root 3 plus square root 3. Now we need to, because these radicals are the same, so we put them together, we add them together. So we have here square root 6. We open the bracket, okay? This 6, this is 1, okay? 1 here. So now we can use this one. 6 plus 1, okay? We close the bracket. Then, so we can, plus square root 3, okay? Then we put equal sign here. 6 plus 1 is 7, okay? So 7 square root 6 plus square root 3. Now, we cannot add this because the radicands are different here. Unlike radicands, this one is 3, this one is 6. So we leave like that. That's your final answer. So number 4. See how we work. That's a long way to, because we have some big numbers here to 24 here to simplify first before we do the rest. Okay, so we have 3 square root 24 plus square root 6 plus 4 square root 3 minus 3 square root 3. Okay, and we have 3 times 2, we have 6 square root 6 plus square root 6 plus square root 3. Now this square root 3, because this 4 minus 1 is 1. 1 times 1 here, this one here. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 square root 3. We don't write 1 square root 3. So we just put square root 3 there. So it's there. And then here, we have 1 here, because the radicals are the same. 6 here, 6 there. So we bring them, we can add them. So 6 plus 1 here. There is 1 here. So we have square root 6 here. And then 6 plus 1 is 7 plus square root 3 from that 1 here. So 6 plus 1 is 7, square root 6 plus square root 3. Alright, so that's all for the addition of radicals. Okay, thanks children for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell, and press the like button. Thank you.